I have new discovery. Meron naman tayong natutunan na another kakaibang pagkain. This is Japanese cheesecake. So, napanood ko sa Facebook, napanood ko sa mga video, no, sa, alam nyo na, iba-ibang platform at very trending siya. Dalawang sangkap. And we are going to try it. This is yogurt and bisco. So, Japanese cheesecake daw yung tawag nito. So, it's very simple. Kailangan mo lang dalawang ingredients. So, subukan na natin. At i-try natin kung masarap ba. So, hindi talaga ako, I am not a fan of yogurt. So, hindi ako mahilig sa yogurt, no, kahit yung mga anak ko, medyo maasim kasi. So, masim-masim yung yogurt. I don't like it. It says probiotic daw siya, pero I don't like it. Si Mr. gusto niya yung yogurt. Gusto niya ito. So, buksan lang natin yung yogurt at saka kunin natin yung takip. Ayan yogurt, oh. Sa probiotic. And now we are going to, hindi ko nabili yung isang balot, no. Natin ito isa-isa. Yung ilalagay lang daw natin. So, medyo sunny. So, ididip lang daw natin yung ating yogurt ganyan. Ay, yung ating ganyan. Tataob mo lang yan, yung biscuit. File it into pieces. Didip lang natin. More. Ito itong mango float. Kamukha naman niya yung Graham yung ano. So, ayan. Enough na ata to. So, ilalagay lang natin sa fridge. Ilalagay daw natin sa fridge. For 4 hours. So, hayaan natin itong mag-chill. Tingnan natin. Ay ko na to dito. My dear, I made this yesterday. And it's ready. This is called Japanese cheesecake. Japanese cheesecake.
Why does it say yogurt?
Yogurt.
Oh.
So, ayan na siya after chilling for few hours. See? So, it's made of yogurt with, so, scrape na natin. So, kunti lang muna kay tikman natin. Para siyang ano, it's like mango float but it's made of yogurt.
Mango sink.
You like yogurt? Yogurt is it alright? Sige.
Not as sweet as I thought it would be.
Look, it's just like,
It's like sour cream with a biscuit. Yeah, interesting.
do you like it, honestly?
Not really.
I don't like this. But sabi nila they like this one. I don't like this. 0 out of 10. Walang kalasa-lasa. It tastes like nothing. Sayang naman yung yogurt natin with biscuit. Maybe put some sugar or condensed milk.
Not very sweet.
Yeah, maybe some condensed milk.
Huh? Maybe.